Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at RX Catering. And we're dang it, I messed up. I fumbled. Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at I don't even know why I need to do this intro. Hi, we're back, Cooking with Sharon. Now, you know I'm a creature of habit. Whenever I go out to specific restaurants, I order the same thing. And there's a favorite item on one particular restaurant's menu that I get all the time. And I said to myself, Sharon, I could duplicate this and I can make it at home. So I went home, looked up some things, and I said, you know what, let me try it out. And so we're going to try it out today. Have any of you had bang bang shrimp? If you haven't, you're in for a nice treat. And it's so simple. It's good. You can serve it as an entree or as an appetizer. So for that upcoming event, that party that you may have at your house, that's how we're going to plating it today as an appetizer option. This is going to be perfect for you. So let's get started. So as you see here, I have shrimp. It's about a pound of shrimp that I've used, 16 like extra large shrimp. Deveined, tail off, all that jazz. And I've actually marinated it for a couple hours in buttermilk and sriracha. So you can add the sriracha for however, the spice level that you want. I like it kind of flavorful and spicy, so it's kind of medium for me. So I did about 1.5 cups of buttermilk, and then I did about 1.5 teaspoons of sriracha. So this has been marinating, like I said. And then what we're going to do is we have panko and I also have cornstarch. So we're just going to add all these dry ingredients together. This is going to be our coating for the shrimp. We have about 1 cup of the panko, 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And then I did, of course, what do you all know? I love garlic. Yeah, so I did 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So we'll add all these together, and then I did paprika, and then we're going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper just for a flavor. All right, so simple. Like I said, we'll mix this together. I've already turned on my oil over here just so it can get warm or hot. You all don't need to do that until you're ready to fry. Just be careful. We don't need any accidents. So you want to taste your mixture. You want it a little salty, but not too, because the sauce that we're going to toss it in is going to have some flavor as well. All right. So this is our just our mixture right here. And we're going to take, I'm going to take my gloves just because I don't want it all on my hands, but if you're at home, no worries. You're going to take the shrimp out of your mixture right here, your buttermilk mixture, and you're just going to toss it into our panko and cornstarch coating. All right, so simple. And again, you all know I try to provide options that are easy for you, economical, and quick, because for us, all of us are busy and we need something that's going to be good, flavorful, quick and easy, something you can do at home, and it's not going to stress you out, and it's going to be good. So this is another option for you, like I said. And this is something that you can actually, if you bread and coat this, if you wanted to, before you left or before you started work, because I know some of you guys are teleworking still, then you can have this in your refrigerator. Once you're ready to drop it in your oil, then it'll be ready to go. One less thing you have to do once you're ready to eat. So this meal, appetizer, what have you, it's gonna, without the marinating of this, the sitting of this over in the buttermilk, easily could take you, 20 minutes, if that? Okay, so that's all ready to go. We're going to put this off to the side just for a moment, and we're going to make our sauce that we're going to toss everything in. So I have right here, I have mayo. You can actually, if you wanted, do the light version if you wanted. This is about 1/3 cup of mayo. And then I have some more sriracha just to make it a little bit spicy for that kick. All right, and then I have a chili Thai kind of dressing marinade you can find in your local grocery store. And then this is rice vinegar. So again, this is about 1.5 teaspoons of rice vinegar. And you can find that again in your local grocery store. And then last but not least, we have agave. Just for a little bit of that sweetness. And I'm going to mix this all together, as you see right here. And if you want more to have on the side to dip, that's fine. This amount is going to be enough for about a pound, just tossing it lightly. You don't want to saturate your shrimp because, again, we want to, have some healthy component of this. All right, so as you see, this is quick and easy. We're going to make sure that all the lumps, everything is smooth. Let me just taste it really quick. I think probably, we could probably add a little bit more sriracha. Just a little. And then if you wanted like that extra kick, you could put in cayenne pepper. You can also use hot sauce. But this is nice flavor right here. And as you can see, if you are a fan of Bang Bang Shrimp, I don't know if you can recall, but let me just tell you, this looks, if I don't say so myself, just like the sauce that is served at the restaurant. So, look, I've told y'all before, a lot of times if you get things that are already pre-made and you don't know what's in them, you see everything that we put in here is fresh and you made it. You made it with love too. You know we cook with love here. All right, so we are almost ready to fry. I think the oil is, now remember, you want to make sure that your oil is hot enough, and right now it's not hot to where if you drop something in it, it's going to come up really quickly. So we'll just turn up the heat a little bit more. Make sure that that is getting hot, and then while we're waiting, I'm just going to get ready to plate up. Like I said in the beginning, I want to present this today as an appetizer, but whenever I go and have Bang Bang Shrimp, I eat it as a meal, but you can also do that too. We're going to put some lettuce. This is just some, fresh romaine. You can use whatever lettuce you want, but just chop romaine. And then you're getting your greens on there too. And like I said, it's a great presentation for appetizer and or dinner. All right, so let's see. It's looking like we're almost there. So again, this is something that you can actually prepare for your upcoming holiday party. I'm telling you, your guests are going to be so impressed with this because once I figured it out and how to make everything, oh my God, I was impressed with myself because, again, I told you I'm a creature of habit, so I'm always ordering the same thing. And what does that mean? Money. I'm spending so much money on something that could be made at home. It's just a little bit of prep work, that's all. So, all right. Yes, we are ready. So all of our shrimp is nicely coated. We're going to just put it in our oil. And the oil that I've used today is just a basic canola oil. You can use probably not olive oil, but you could if you wanted, a certain level of healthiness. But we're frying this, so I don't know. I would just stick with your basic vegetable oil, canola oil. You'll be happy with the results. All right, so it's looking pretty good over here. And like I said, this is so simple, you all. And hopefully it'll turn out just like what I imagine and what I typically get from the restaurant. So, you know, with shrimp, it doesn't take that long to cook. So this should probably take us about maybe 5 to 8 minutes. And the shrimp will be done. We will toss it in our homemade sauce that we've made. And voila. Okay. Yes. So I have here, you know, you want to, I'm going to make sure that all the excess oil is going to be off once we take it out of our pot. Okay. And, you know, I like to clean as I go, so, man, I'm getting everything done really efficiently today. So I'm showing you all options to have at home to make sure your life is stress-free. Don't we all need that? Something simple, easy, good, and quick. Because if your schedule is anything like mine, it's all over the place. And sometimes I don't even know if I'm coming or going. I'm sure you all can relate. And my to-do list, oh my God, it's like from here to up there. So I need to cross a lot of things off of it. And this is just one thing that can be crossed off. I wouldn't necessarily use this item as something that you could meal prep. You know, sometimes I talk about options that we prepare here that you can meal prep, but because it's a fried option, this may not be the best option because of the fry. But don't worry, we're going to have many options for you to incorporate for your meal prep. Trust me, it's coming. Okay, like I said, about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. Let's see. You want to be careful when you're taking it out of your oil too, because your coating, oh my God, that looks so great. Your coating you don't want to take off because that's all part of the bang bang shrimp. Okay, I'm getting super excited. Yes. Okay, so it's almost done, and then we will toss it. You can toss it if you want. You can put the sauce on the side. How they serve it in the restaurant, if you're eating in or dining in, is it's tossed already, but we don't want to make it too soggy. So I think we may put it on the side here. I may toss a couple of them just so you all can see, but have some on the side because I'm going to eat this today. I don't know if I'm sharing. You know, there's someone here that always, of course, does all the videography and the production of everything. And the benefit, you all know, of course, he gets to eat everything. I mean, that just wouldn't be right, right? I'm making all this food. Who can eat it? He can. So this is, oh yeah, we want to make sure that we're not going to make it too soggy. So when reheating, it's not going to, oh yeah, this is perfect, perfect, perfect. And like I said, it's so simple, as you see here. So if you don't know what bang bang shrimp is, Google it. And you will see what we are making here and what you will make at home pretty much resembles this. So again, why go and wait in line for your restaurant reservation when you can do it yourself? Oh, this is turning out so nice. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to maybe toss a couple of them and we will plate it up right here. And then we're going to leave some on the side. So this is how it would be served to you if you were at the restaurant. Already tossed. We'll just toss it a little. And there you have it. Nice and sauced. Very good. See, that's why I think this may be too much sauce, but it's okay because I love sauces. I'll eat it. But you can kind of gauge how much sauce you want to put on it or not. And like I said, it's good without the sauce. So another quick, easy, flavorful recipe for you to try out at home or for your next event. So as always, we appreciate you joining us at Cooking with Sharon. See you next time.